Imagine a bag that is both your perfect gym buddy and your go-to duffel bag, all in one. Can you picture it? Then meet my custom-designed gym/duffel hybrid, the ultimate two-in-one solution. From gym sessions to everyday life, this bag adapts to your needs. We have all been there. Gym gear stuffed together, sweaty clothes mixed with fresh ones, and no space for everything. And sometimes you just want a spacious duffel without all the compartments. So I decided to create a bag that does both, and does it well. First, I asked myself, what makes a gym bag ideal, and what does a perfect duffel bag look like? The answer to these questions was, an ideal gym bag needs to carry clean clothes, sweaty clothes, and shoes separately. Has easy access to small essentials such as keys, water bottles, and money. Is durable or sturdy enough to withstand frequent heavy loads. Is easy to clean. Has adjustable shoulder and hand straps. Has outer zipper pocket for quick essentials. While an ideal duffel bag should carry bulk items or larger loads, is durable for rugged use such as travel, sports, and adventure. Needs to be flexible. The bag should compress when not full. Is heavy duty. A large cylindrical duffel would be ideal. Has a double zipper opening for easy access. Has removable shoulder strap and reinforced grab handles. So I came up with a solution. This is no ordinary gym bag. It is a versatile two-in-one. Inside is a detachable liner that zips up to reveal 4 compartments. This enables you to carry sweat-soaked clothes, supplements and water, shoes, and the towel separately. But here's the best part. When you don't need the partitions, just unzip the liner, tuck it away, and the bag transforms into a spacious duffel. From gym to getaway, this bag has you covered. It all started with durable canvas fabric, perfect for gym bag that can handle wear and tear. Here I am cutting the pieces carefully to get the right fit for both the main duffel body and the removable liner. After cutting, I begin sewing the bag insert. This would be the compartment section that opens to a gym bag. The addition of this section was easier than figuring out how it would attach to the main bag. Unfortunately, I lost a big chunk of the sewing footage, but let me explain the key steps. The detachable liner is the key to this bag's versatility. It zips to the main body to create 4 compartments, and just as easily unzips to open up the entire space. The main bag is made up of 3 panels, the top, side panels, and the back and front panel. 2 panels, the sides and back/front panels intersect at the bottom, giving the bag a stronger base. Sometimes creativity comes with challenges, like losing half of your sewing footage, but I'm still proud of how this bag turned out. Now, let's see it in action. The gym mode is perfect for keeping your gear organized. You're able to carry your stuff in different compartments, and you get 2 drawstring bags, one for your laundry and the other for your shoes. And when you just need a duffel, unzip the liner, tuck it away, and voila, one spacious bag for whatever you need. It's one bag that does it all. Whether I'm hitting the gym or packing for a weekend trip, these bags adapt seamlessly. It is my go-to for both fitness and travel. Thank you for watching. What do you think about this two-in-one gym/duffel bag? Would you use it? Please subscribe for more creative ideas and DIY projects. Drop a comment below if you'd like me to share this bag's pattern, or if you'd like to see more versatile designs like this one. See ya!